Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you transform your videos into any style using runwayml.com. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So just go over to this site runwayml.com and you just have to create a free account. So I've already done that. After that, you just have to click on this one, try Runway for free. You will be redirected to here. So after that, you just have to go on over to here. So change the style of a video with text. So just click on that, and over here you can upload any video you want, but for me I've already done that here. So let's go ahead and choose this one. You just have to double click that. Okay, so for me here, I've already done this earlier. So I created a text prompt, so add a line and change the background to the buildings, and this is what it does. So as you can see, it flawlessly creates it. And you can also edit the um, settings here if you want. It has also features here, but you have to upgrade your plan. But the free one should be good to go. So there. You can also have presets here and also add images for bases. So let's try that here. So go over to the presets if you want. And let's generate a video if you want. But let's go over to text prompt there. So make sure that your text is correct and no spelling is wrong. So let's try and go over and edit the settings there. So this is what I want, and let's generate the video. So okay, once done, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, and there. So there guys, if you want to upgrade this, you can just upgrade their plan here if you want, and this will be also worth it because of what this website offers. So there guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.